Hello guys, welcome to this course of ES6 of JavaScript. In this video, we will talk about the rest parameter. Rest parameter is a new kind of parameter that has a prefix of 3 dot. The rest parameter allows us to represent an indefinite number of arguments as an array. Let us take an function fn with parameter a, b, and the third one is the rest parameters. So if we make a function called fn with the value of with the argument of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the output of the function call, the value of the parameter a is 1, the value of the parameter b is 2, and the value of the rest parameter arg is an array containing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as you can see. So if we make another function call with 1, 2, 3, let's take 1 and 2 only. Function, the value of the parameter a is 1, the value of the parameter b is 2, and the value of the parameter is an empty array. While defining the rest parameter, we cannot use the rest parameter at the start of the argument list because it will show an error. So we need to declare the rest parameter always at the end of the argument list in our function. This much for this video. We'll continue with the next topic in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.